everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change Google account password on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who want to change your Google account password, or you want to be more secure for your Google account, of course you can change your password frequently. And how to change the password is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this. And then after that, now you can scroll down again, and then here now you can go to Google, and then after that now you can go to your Google account, and then after that now you can go to security. After that now you can scroll down and go to password. And then to change your password, now you can identify yourself by using the pattern or fingerprint. And after that, now you can change the password to be more stronger and click change password so that your password will change successfully. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on next video.